Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti from Jaipur. I hope everybody is doing fine. My video is regarding free dental checkup camp that I am organizing especially for women along with children on 8th of March, that is International Women's Day, and that will be on next Friday. So you all are welcome, especially women, their children, and if you know somebody who are going through some problem with their oral hygiene or any problem with their oral care, they can come and visit us. We are happy to help them. So what I have seen in my practice, that lot of time women don't visit any clinic or any hospital regarding their problem, because she has lot of problem regarding their puberty also, even in pregnancy stage also. They have gum disease, periodontal problem, dental caries more than a man. And secondly, they have more eating disorder, and they have lot of tendency of missing teeth in respect to men. So sometimes financial reason is also a factor, they don't visit. So what happened, they have very uh, lack of health, overall oral health or physical health. So that's why we organize free dental checkup camps. So if you know someone, uh, she needs care. So if she will willing to come to our clinic, I'm happy to help them. So this is it. So according to United Nations theme, on this International Women's Day, we are celebrating her. Like, invest in women oral health, it accelerates progress, because by investing in women we can spark change, speed the transition toward a more healthier, safer and equal world for all. So uh, my request to you to all, that please be a part of this change and just join us for International Women's Day. Whoever are participating, please just click on that appointment link. When you are coming to me, just take appointment before you come, so it will be more easier. So date will be on 8th of March, that will be next Friday, and timing will be morning 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and the place will be my clinic, that is situated in Pratapnagar, Rajasthan, Dr. Jyoti's Dental Care Center. And you will get all the details regarding this on my Facebook page or Insta page, and you can go through the link also and you can read all the details and you can come. Bye, take care.